So in today's video, I want to clarify some leftover points from my previous video. So one of them is when my Neo 2 follows you from the hand and the battery is empty, what happens? Will it just fly back to the home point where it started? Or will it land where you are or try to get to you? That's something I want to discover. And also the second thing I want to know, my Mini 5 was stuck behind a tree when I did do active tracking. So if that turns out of battery power, will it then fly back to the home point? I think so. Or will it do something else? Yeah, let's deep dive in the video. Further, I bought some nice hard cases for my drone. So this is the one for my Mini 5. I have a new bag so I can easily put it in. And I also bought myself a small hard cover for my Neo 2. So it's easy to put it in the bag. I also already have a cover for my RC2. Also the nice thing about this one, it also holds the batteries. Drone in here, but you also have the batteries in here. So yeah, let's start the test. I'm starting my Neo 2 now.
Front, follow, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, I will push it a little bit back. Let's walk a little bit. I don't have to go that far. Also, one of the things in the comments I saw is that people were having trouble with the active trapping with the Mini 5 because it very easily could fly into a tree and then it breaks its legs. So I'm careful with that so I don't fly too high. So I will not walk the whole way. I just have to go away from the point I started. And then wait until the battery dies. The only problem here is that you cannot see how far the battery has drained. So you just have to wait. So the good thing about that was there was somebody else in the frame, but they did not decide to follow him. So that also could have happened. So they were still focused on me. So that was a good thing. So that's also a test, because I was also curious about that. Would they pick up another person as the one to follow? But apparently not, they followed me. Okay, the battery is empty, it raises. I don't know what it wants to do now, let's just wait. I have no clue what it does. It's doing all kind of stuff and now apparently it's landing. So what actually happened is it started to swirl around me. Can you come out of the forest? I'm here. Okay. So in this case the recording is continuing. So the Neo 2 did something interesting. It swirled around me. I have no reason why. First it flew up to 5 meters. Then it swerved around me through the forest. And then of course it landed automatically. It's still on, so I will power it off. So it did do a land. It was only not at the spot that it was also not at the home point. Maybe I have to also try this in a more open ground than in the forest, because yeah, now it was avoiding all kinds of trees here. But yeah, it was different than I would expect it. I would expect it to just land. So I will now start it for a second test.
3, 2, 1.
It's in open terrain, so it's basically in my garden. Let's wait until the battery dies and see what it does. The light has turned to red. Okay. So it started beeping. Let's see what it does.
Low battery. Aircraft landing automatically.
Apparently it just lands. What happened in the forest yesterday? Probably because of all the trees, but normally it will just land. So that's a nice conclusion. I'm back at my old place. It's really windy today. The weather is also not that good here in the Netherlands at the moment. Next week it will be much better. But I will try to see if I'm able to let the Mini 5 lose me. There's a dense forest behind me, so maybe it's possible. So let's try to trick him. I've been able to active tracking again. I will go in the forest. Okay. He's smarter than I thought.
Subject lost. Focus track disabled.
Okay. So it did what I expect. Yeah, just wait now until the battery is empty. Ah.
Low battery. Return to home pump.
So it only warns now, nothing else. Oh, sorry. Ik kan er gewoon langs lopen.
Oh, ik had hem niet eens gezien.
Nee, hij hangt er alleen maar. Sorry. Oh.
Low battery warning.
So interesting, it did not move at all yet. It only says there's a low battery. It did not do a return to home yet. Okay. So I think this is really interesting. So when you do active tracking and it runs out, and it loses you and then runs out the battery, it lands in the place it was stuck. So I think there's another setting for this. So that was interesting. I think, of course, in a normal situation you would stop, find your drone, press return to home, and then, yeah, it will recover. But if you do not do anything, in my case also I felt that the battery was really hot at the end, so it will auto shut off by itself. But then, yeah, it could be that you lose your drone. In a situation where it's above water, it will probably just fall into the water. Let me know in the comments if you also experienced this and what you did or how it was for you, because I'm curious if more people experience this. Yeah, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.